Today, it's hard to find a business that is not integrated online. Many huge retailers open online stores, everyday people make great money offering different things online, and there are no signs of slowing down. In 2020, sales growth was 19%, compared to 9 to 12% years before. In 2022, the growth expectation is around 20% and 21% in 2024. Cool, but you might think, what can I sell online to make money? This video is for you. In this video, we will answer this question and list 7 things you can try. Number 1. Open a dropshipping store. One of the increasingly popular ways to make the bucks online is to open your own online store. Traditional stores require searching for suppliers, warehousing, setting up the website, and many other time and money-consuming things. But dropshipping is totally different. You just sell items on your website, and when customers purchase something, you redirect the necessary info to the supplier, which ships out the order directly to the customer. Sellvia can create a turnkey online store with fast dropshipping, 1 to 3 days for delivery. You can forget about looking for suppliers and testing them out. Let Sellvia do all the work. Check out Sellvia Pro if you are interested. The link is in the description. Let's move on to the second way to make money online. Provide custom-made items. Got a crafty side? Then personalized gifts may be your calling. Everyone loves unique things with one-of-a-kind design. You can offer a card writing or stationery service, for instance. The only thing is that you would have to supply your own items in addition to buying machinery or software to do it all. Not to mention you also have to create a website on your own from scratch. None of these is a challenge with Sellvia's brand development offering. Launch a unique e-commerce brand centered around your passion and have no product concerns at all. Fulfillment, logistics, production. Let Sellvia take care of it. Number 3. Consult or teach a course. Do you have special knowledge in anything? Design, languages, math, or maybe even tarot reading? Whatever expertise you have, you can sell it. Education is much more accessible than before, and you can take part in that. Share your skills on YouTube and earn money with the partnership program, or work on such educational services like Thinkific, Mastera, or Skillshare. Also, don't overlook tutoring. Number 4. Sell used clothes and items online. Declutter and make some money. You can try selling your own stuff you don't need at first, and even maybe get into it and resell other people's used things or antiques. Some of the most popular platforms are Poshmark, Mercari, OfferUp, 5 Miles, or even Facebook Marketplace. Number 5. Get into cryptocurrency. Not the most obvious idea of what you can sell online to make money, but still. If you have invested in cryptocurrency, you'll know it's like stock trading. You can make money or lose it quickly, and you should keep your eye on the market and the trends daily. Make a profit by either selling your investment, or withdraw your funds once you see gains. Number 6. Freelance on the side. Your brain is your asset. Make your skills and knowledge income sources. Like with teaching courses, you can use your specialty knowledge or background to find part-time or freelance work. Websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are the most popular destinations for freelancers to get started. Number 7. Become an entertainer or online personality. If you have a certain appeal or knack for humor, platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram can open up doors. If you're comfortable with putting yourself out there on the internet, those who would like to keep their privacy can start a podcast and not show themselves at all. Whether you have a flair for acting, dancing, or you are a movie geek, there is a space for anyone, and everyone can find their unique audience. See, there are many options. They range from physical products to your own skills and time. With Sellvia, you can put your worries aside and delegate the heavy lifting. By the way, with Sellvia Pro, you can get a turnkey store that will be filled with best-selling products of the niche. Steal of a deal. And moreover, they will be delivered around the US in 3 business days, thanks to the warehouse in California. And you don't have to think, what can I sell online to make money? Sellvia took care of everything for you. Just fill in the survey and lay back. Curious what it's like to be a successful e-com entrepreneur and work with Sellvia? Then watch an interview with Sellvia's client Rodney, whose side hustle makes more than $12,000. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it was helpful and inspiring. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.